guys have no idea what you're holding on to right now. I'm getting nervous and shaking. Look, I don't even do scripts. I don't write anything down. If you guys can allow me to be real, that's all I'm going to be. In your hands, you have the most powerful tool in the world.
What's going on, world? I go by the name of Suess, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. If you're watching this video right now, chances are you're probably a business owner, or an entrepreneur, or a music artist, or somebody that just wants to make money using the power of the internet. If any of those are you, then let me tell you, you came to the right place at the right time. Over the next few minutes, you'll see a few slideshows just giving you guys some social proof that I am who I am and I do what I do. So what is it that I do? Well, before I go into that, let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm 30 years young, a proud father of two beautiful boys, one residing in Atlanta, Georgia, and the other one residing in Orlando, Florida. I don't know if any of you are parents out there, but if you are, then you understand the struggle that I'm facing already. Time is the only thing we wish we had more of, and especially to spend with our families and our loved ones. And honestly, that was something I had little of, close to none of with my children. So a 9 to 5 typically just wouldn't be something that suited me, right? So I had to figure something else out. And 3 years later, I'm able to say that I was able to find a solution that will pay me for the rest of my life. And that solution was the internet. I learned how to develop income and create income every single day, 24/7, 365, just using my cell phone and social media. Now, these pictures, like I said, guys, are just social proof that I am who I am, because on top of that, guys, I don't even give myself a label. You see these videos, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an artist, I'm pretty much whatever I wake up and decide that I want to be on any given day, and that's simply because I learned a skill that will pay me forever. Here's a video of me closing a deal with a client of a furniture company. They were so excited for the information that I gave them, I was able to literally walk in there in a tank top and then get an employee to go along with my excitement. It's crazy when you really have something valuable to give to your marketplace. Which is even crazier is when you're able to spend time with the ones you love and still create income. You see this picture here, I'm actually looking at people at 9 o'clock in traffic in Dallas. This picture here, I'm sitting poolside, it's probably around noon. If you're looking for a way to create income and still be able to travel the world, still be able to spend time with your family, still be able to invest in your hobby, whatever your skills or your passion is that you love to do, let me tell you this, guys. You want to stay tuned for the information I'm about to give you, because it's going to be powerful and it will change your life if you let it. So I'd listen up, because what I'm about to tell you over the next few minutes is going to be some information that if you retain it, and you are consistent with the idea that you deserve it and you can achieve it and you believe it, you'll reach it. So enough about me, guys. Let's get into how we can create your story for you. I'm Suess. It's time to get to work. What's going on, world? This is your boy Suess, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business, and I'm reporting to you live here from Las Vegas, Nevada. Shout out to the retired 365 boom 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 movement. Shout out to the Elevate FX movement. If you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you're like Suess. I've seen enough, I've heard enough, I need to know, what is it that you're doing? What's going on with these currencies? What is this crypto? What is this byte? What is it? Because I need it. So if that's you, or if it isn't you and you just got to this video by chance, count your blessings, because this is the most important video you'll watch probably of 2018. So actually what I want to do is I want you to take the time, mute the phone, put the babies in the basement, tell wifey, tell hubby, you'll talk to them about 15 minutes later, because right now it's very, very important that I have all your attention. You listening? Cool. So listen, we are involved in something called the Forex market. It's a $5.4 trillion a day. Wait a minute. Yes, a day, $5.4 trillion a day, which is about 10 times larger than the stock market. And
I don't even know any other market that's close near it, you know, but it's $5.4 trillion a day. We're involved in it. What we do is we trade currencies. No, we don't own the currencies. We don't have to invest or own. What we do is we actually take our money, we compound it. Eighth wonder of the world. I know you guys know who Albert Einstein is, and he said something very, very important about compound interest. He who understands it will become rich. He who doesn't, yeah, you guys get my point. So the thing is, what we're doing right now is we're trading currencies, we're taking pennies and we're turning it into dollars in the largest financial market in the world. And then some are even taking hundreds and turning it into thousands. There's really no limit on the results you can get. It's really up to you. We got some people that come in with the lowest $50 and are making hundreds to thousands, you know, a week, and some that are making thousands a day. Everybody, I will say this, you know, past profits do not guarantee future profits, but let's be real. There's $5.4 trillion a day in this market. How much do you need to change your life? Could it be $100? Could it be $200? Or could it be $1,000 a month? Whatever you're looking to get, if it's an extra income, if it's a job replacement, or if it's the fact that you just want to learn how to make your money work for you, so you can spend some more time at places like this with people that you love to get the results you want. So the first thing you want to do is, after this video, you want to click on the link, right? It's going to be a button at the bottom of this video. You want to make sure you click on the link, enter your information, and then follow the steps. It's that simple. So, hey, look, I got to get back to work. So it's very important that you click the link below this video, enter your information, and then we'll see you from there. I'll see you at the top because the bottom's way too crowded. It's your boy, Suess Filiano. Peace.
Cause we about to pop. Cause I got this sauce. I got this up. I got this up. I got this up.